Hello everybody, welcome to my Katya beauty style channel. And are you ready for fall? I am. Look at my makeup, so beautiful, spectacular. Today we're gonna use newest eyeshadow palette from Estee Lauder. Look at these beautiful colors. I get a little bit scary because it's very kind of deeper color intense. But when I start working with this beautiful palette, don't be scary. This is beautiful colors and will work for everyone. For deeper skin, for my skin, because look at me, I'm fair, but it looks so pretty and I just enjoy this look. If you like this look, stay in my channel, subscribe, comments below. Love you more than ice cream. Give me thumbs up and let's start. Today I bring you newest palette from Estee Lauder. It's Pure Color Envy Refillable. This is also refillable eyeshadow palette, and this you can see it's really beautiful colors here. It's perfect color for fall. To me personally, I will say it's the best colors for olive skin, for darker skin. I'm pretty fair, but you know what, colors so beautiful here, and I'm gonna take a risk. I'm gonna create something amazing and fabulous, but let me show you these colors. Awesome. It's a matte color, and we have two kind of metallic-y, and this one is more like a sparkly one. But let me show you in my hand. It's a first color. This is very pretty, and again we have a little sparkles here. Then now let's try this gold. Okay, it's a gold color, and I actually think it will go very metallic-y, but it's actually not. It does have shimmer, but it's not like too shimmery or too metallic. One more color, and this is it's like orangey brick color. Ooh, this is really pretty. And it's the darkest color right here, and it's like a brown black. Will be beautiful use is eyeliner. Okay, we have 4 colors with you here, and let's see what's gonna come. How I think this will be very pretty. Step, I'm gonna use eyeshadow primer from MAC, and you can see it's have a neutral color. I'm gonna put on the entire my eyelid. And I am using foundation brush. It's an old foundation brush from Lancome. I decide first we're gonna use this beautiful gold eyeshadow, and I'm using Chanel blending brush. And we're gonna use this color is my middle color, and I know it's not too intense this color. This is why I put a little bit too much on a brush, because again I do not scary. It's not a too pigmented color, and you can see eyeshadow looks so soft, so pretty. Wow. Now I'm gonna use again this beautiful gold eyeshadow, and we're gonna put little bit more in the corner right here. I really like this brush, and I'm just gonna cleanse this with my paper towel just like this. And we're gonna use second color. I really like this brush, and I'm just gonna clean this brush and prepare it for second color. Now we're gonna use this beautiful orange color. Again, you can see how this like orange brick, and this have more metallic and maybe a little bit more reddish. So far we have with you 2 colors. Colors so pretty, and it's definitely fall look for fall, or I will say like it's a beautiful evening look. Now it's time to use this beautiful shimmer eyeshadow, and I'm gonna use my finger. I want you to see a texture of this eyeshadow. I will not use eyeshadow brush, or if you're gonna use flat one. And I'm just basically pushing this color on the corner of my eye. Now you can see I have a 3-color liner, a little bit more darker and more darker. And I'm just gonna little bit buff this eyeshadow and make a little bit more softer and smooth. Eyeshadow looks beautiful and gorgeous. Now I'm gonna use small tiny brush and we're gonna use this beautiful orange color first. We're gonna apply close to my low lashes. Now it's time to curl my lashes. After I curl my eyelashes, I'm gonna use Bobby brush, angle brush, and I'm gonna use this darker, deeper eyeshadow. I'm gonna lift a little bit my eye and I'm gonna push this color close to my lashes. And same darker this eyeshadow I'm gonna use underneath close to my low lashes. And we're almost done. Eyeliner very looks soft, not too much, because color's already vibrant. I don't want to go with a really heavy look. I really like how my eyes turn. So pretty, but I feel I want a little bit sparkles, and I'm gonna use sparkly eyeshadow from Stila, and it's named Diamond Dust. And you can see it's big difference, right? Either one it's pretty, but I just want sparkles. Now I'm gonna use primer for my lashes from Dior and mascara from Estee Lauder, and I will be right back and we're gonna finish this look using bronze, highlighter and blush. Ooh, voila! I decided to little bit switch something. I decided, you know what, before my mascara and primer, let me put transparent Lancome powder, which one I have, and I use my Chanel puff, and basically I put this powder right here underneath. I put a little bit this transparent powder underneath of my eyeshadow. Then I went and I put right here in the corner, little bit on my nose and right here in center. And now I will start working with my lashes. I want this powder to sit for like maybe 15 minutes, 10. I don't want to bake too long, but I think this look needs this extra. Again, I'm using primer from Dior. It's a great primer. It's have a treatment. It's not just will make your lashes full, it's will, but it's also it's a treatment for your lashes. Some people, a lot of people this using actually at night to treat better weight lashes. Okay, I add false lashes and it definitely changed whole entire look. I really like this eyeshadow. It is more for darker skin create, but I think it looks pretty on me. Now let's remove this baking powder, and I'm just using big Chanel brush. Let's add little bit bronze, and I love this bronze. It's 3 different colors, and I'm just gonna scroll like this, and we're gonna put just very little right here, a little bit right here, and close to my hairline and underneath. This look definitely missing this bronze kiss. And let's do a blush, and I'm gonna use this beautiful, like it's orangey, bright color from Chanel number 430 Fuchsia Rose. It will give me nice beautiful pop. And when I went to a store one time and I wearing this blush, everybody tell me, Katerina, this blush looks so pretty on you. And because it's intense, I apply very little and I just building this color. Voila! Yes, it is very pretty. I'm gonna put little bit highlighter, lipstick, and we're almost done. If you like this video, girls, please give me thumbs up. Love you more than ice cream, and I think my videos getting better and better and better, and it is taking time to learn how camera work, how light work, how noise in background, and even, believe me or not, I feel like for the camera I apply a little bit more colors, maybe more intense, because it's not showing like I want. Like if it's in real life, you will see me, this will be like almost like stage makeup, but on camera it still looks really good, right? It just I apply in real life a little bit softer, but for camera I go little bit more. Okay, let's put highlighter. For highlighter we're gonna use my favorite highlighter from MAC, and we have a 3 different color. Usually I go for the middle color, it's a more peachy, but this color is a little bit more goldy and bronze, and this is what I'm gonna use. Very little, because it's very pigmented, very pigmented highlight. And I think I'm gonna use my concealer brush because it's like so pointy and skinny, and we're gonna use this lighter color, and I'm gonna apply above my brow. Just a little bit to make this look more spectacular. Ooh, we should put also in the corner right there. Okay, my eyes looks amazing. Let's use setting mist from Charlotte Tilbury to set my makeup. And let me find some beautiful lip color for this. Okay, for my lips I decided to use Kylie lip liner, and then we're gonna use this beautiful new lip color from Armani, and it's number 531. Very pretty, very fall. Again, now it's a fall time. I love this lip liner formula. It's very soft and creamy. And let's put lip color. I finished my look. My eyes looks beautiful, spectacular. Girls, if you like this look, get this palette because it's so pretty. Again, it's by Estee Lauder. It's name Wild Earth, I believe, and its price point only $58. Don't be scary. I teach you how to use and create this beautiful eye look. Okay, comments below, message me on Instagram if you have any question, and I love you more than ice cream. Bye everybody.